Oh great, another video. I'm so excited to show this to you guys. Got a little dinger here. Lamp to lamp, backed into another car, a rental car this time. And actually this is the only car I've ever backed into. Lamp to lamp, a little bit of damage. Concerning. Not so much concerning, but it does hurt me a little bit. It pains me to see it, pains me to look at it, pains me to spend unnecessary money. It's what happens when you don't drive for 5 days and you hop in your vehicle and think you're driving a Tesla, which I've never driven before. Must be nice, huh? Thought about slapping some red tape on there. Damage didn't look too bad, but I ended up biting the bullet and spending some money. But not a lot of money. Ended up ordering a new tail lamp from Amazon, and it, as you can see, it's called Eagle Eyes. I mean, hey, made in Taiwan, not an issue to me. Saved myself about $100 instead of buying the OEM one. Bought this one. Came in 3 days, 2 days, 2.5 days, just about. So for any of you demolition derby guys out there that like to beat up your truck unnecessarily, maybe this review or this product placement, it's not really a product placement. I'm placing the product in front of your face. I am no way sponsored by this. Overall, packaging came pretty legit. Came with extra hardware. Came with some bulbs. Pretty preem, if you ask me. Nice addition for a Taiwanese-made product shipping from Amazon. And if you have Amazon Prime, it comes even faster. Not too bad overall look. Plastic looks nicer, obviously, because it's brand new. Only caveat right there. Raised lettering just says Eagle Eyes on it. The OEM one does not have that. I preferred if it didn't have any lettering. I don't know why they need to do that when it comes in the packaging. It's not like someone's gonna come up and say, hey man, nice tail lamps. I like your Eagle Eyes. The product's pretty nice for being $69. Can't really complain. Came with everything you could possibly need without having to go to the store and buy extras. You know, the process is pretty simple of removing your tail lamp. Just 2 Phillips heads, and then you just snap the thing off, apply a little pressure, and then it'll pop. It'll sound like you broke something, which scares me every time, I'm not gonna lie. As you can notice there, you can see that weird fin looking reverse lamp. I've had those for 2.5 years, and they have lasted on both sides through rain, snow, sand, whatever. Pretty good product. If I find it, I'll link it down below. That light to me is still pretty usable. I'd use it if I didn't suffer with pride, you know. I really wish I could buy the OEM one. I mean, the OEM one, knowing that it's OEM, you know if you know. Side-by-side comparison, the biggest difference really being that gold fitting that you snap into place. The other one's black. I'm not sure if it's plastic or not on the original one. Either way, that's the only cosmetic difference on the interior side. The bulbs, pretty good condition. You know, I can't really complain about the bulbs. I'm just gonna keep them as spares and hopefully never have to use them ever again. Don't mind the toilet paper and the paper towels. You never know when you have to go. And yeah, that bulb did not break, in case you're wondering. Big issue here, this is one of the 2 issues that I have with this product, is that the OEM light housing or light fixture, whichever you want to call it, has different notches from the one that comes from the package, from the Eagle Eyes package. The original one has notches cut out into it, but there's an area where the notch is slightly bigger. You could probably MacGyver something and fit in the original one if that's what you like to do. Or you can just go ahead and use the one that was provided. I used the one that was provided. I didn't feel like doing any cutting. I was like, forget it, this works. Unplugged it. Pretty simple. I still wish I was using the OEM one. It irks me just a tiny bit. Other thing too, the hardware that comes with it, you want to take out that plastic tab. I tried installing it with the original one, that original one on, and it wouldn't seat at all. I'd push and push and push, and that little gold fitting wouldn't sit properly. I don't know why. Maybe I was using baby hand strength to push it in. I'm not really sure. I ended up taking it out, provide you all the hardware there, and just snap it in. And once I had that piece in, it went in pretty smoothly. I ended up hearing the little snap. It's not as crisp, okay? Like, this is to be nitpicky. It's not as crisp as the original one putting it in, which kind of sucks. I was hoping for that same pop, you know. Installed it, worked pretty good. Phillips head screwdriver, that's all you need. You don't need anything else. Maybe a saw or a better cutting utensil. I don't think I really have to explain much here. The lights work great. Visibility's decent. I might have to just try this out in the dark and have someone follow me on a bike to make sure that they can properly see the lights illuminating at night. Here's the side profile view of the OEM side. Sits flush, the plastic is amazing, there's no gap. As I come around to the other side, you'll see that there's a slight gap. You really have to finick with the housing as you're putting it in. You're gonna have to mess with the Phillips head screwdriver to kind of get the tensioning right, because if you over tighten it might come out a little bit more, so you have more of a gap exposing, like right here on the side. No one's really gonna notice. My biggest thing is water gonna get to that grease? I hope it doesn't. I'll update you guys if anything happens. I hope you guys liked the video. I'm gonna put more out. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, again, just put them down in the comments. I try to answer all of them. Any small questions, technical questions, doesn't even have to be about this video. Peace out, guys.